Guys, welcome to Geeks with Geeks. My name is Radhika, and today we are going to discuss 6 productivity hacks for developers. So let's get into the video. Hack number one would be to create batches for your everyday tasks. In simple words, you have to plan your day. Now, you have to realize that you cannot implement every feature or solve every bug in just one day. In pursuit of doing everything at once, you will end up doing nothing productive. So, break your work into smaller chunks and pick 3 to 4 tasks that you want to do for the day and be realistic, consider the time that you will take to solve them or complete the tasks and plan your day accordingly, and you will realize that even doing 3 to 4 tasks a day will increase your productivity significantly. Next is hack number two, that is eat the frog. Now, this is a very famous quote by an author, Brian Tracy, which means do the hardest task first. And this makes sense. Suppose you have a very difficult task at hand and you decide to push it to the later part of the day. The whole day, when you are even doing other tasks, this task which is difficult will be running in your mind, and you will not be able to focus on the task that you're doing right now, and that will decrease your productivity. On the other hand, if you do that first thing in the morning, you will have a sense of achievement, and also that will boost your energy for the other activities of the day, and that will ultimately help in boosting your productivity and your efficiency. The hack number three would be to take breaks while you work. Now, there is a very famous technique called Pomodoro technique, which is basically a time management method, which says to work for 25 minutes and then take 5 minutes break and repeat this cycle for 5 sets, and that will complete your one Pomodoro set. Now, this method is scientifically proven to be effective because your brain needs time to relax. So, when you are concentrating or focusing on a particular task for a certain amount of time, and then when you give your brain a certain period of relaxation time, then that helps increase your focus and concentration for the next cycle of your work. So it will be very effective for you if you apply this technique and take breaks while you work. Now, not only work, you can also use this when you are studying, and definitely it is going to increase your efficiency. Also, know your peak hours. Now, every person definitely has some peak hour where his or her concentration and focus level is maximum. And if you know what time of the day is that for you, then you will be able to plan your day. Going to point number one, plan your day more effectively, and that is definitely going to help with your productivity. Next hack would be to not multitask. Now, I know this is contrary to what a lot of people believe or think or practice, but think of it in this way. Suppose you are writing your own piece of code and also you are reviewing some other person's piece of code. Now, when you're juggling between two tasks, your brain has to switch from the thought of this task to that task. So, when you come back to the first task that you were doing, you have completely lost track of what that was, and then again you have to spend some time on gathering your thoughts around that first task, that was writing your own code, and then start working on it. So you ended up wasting a lot of time. Instead, you could have just finished writing your own code and then moved on to reviewing some other person's code. That would have saved a lot of time, and also your mental marathon that you did from one task to the other task. So try not to multitask. Do the task in hand, completely focus on that, and then move on to the next task. That will help you to increase your efficiency, productivity, and with the time management as well. The next hack would be to master your IDE. Now, this is not a very bad idea because we developers spend thousands of hours in front of our IDEs, and when we know what extra functionalities or shortcuts that our IDEs provide to us, then it will make our lives very, very easy, because there are a lot of tedious tasks that developers don't like to do, and our IDEs can do for us. Just imagine how auto completion, automatic indentation, or even syntax highlighting has made your life easy. So, knowing about your IDE will help you to save a lot of your time, and also will make your tasks very very easy. The next hack is also very interesting, that is to work with command lines. Now a lot of beginners and new developers, they don't really like using command lines because of the syntax or the documentation, and they prefer using graphical interfaces. But believe me, using command line speeds up your task a lot, and once you get a hold of it, it will be very easy for you to do the task that you do very often. And a great idea would be to create aliases or some custom functions for the tasks that you have to run daily, so that will make your life again very very easy and help you to increase your productivity. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll use some of these hacks, and that will help you to increase your productivity. I will be back with another video very soon. Till then, bye bye. Happy coding.